What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Crsr Gaming, ticker symbol CRSR, and we're going to be talking about why is the stock down, when is it potentially coming up, when should you be loading, what kind of price should you really be looking for. By the way, guys, if you do like technical analysis videos to better help you understand technical analysis and understand where you should be buying and selling stocks and how to make money technically in the stock market like an adult and a professional, you have to take a realistic approach to the market, especially this year has taught a lot of people that you don't just buy the dip and continue to buy the dip. There's technical levels that get broken down and levels of supply that we really need to look for. If you enjoy these type of videos, you want more help, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. I would highly appreciate that. But let's look at Crsr Gaming. Current stock price is trading at $14.36, so we were up about 4% on the day. Now I know there's a lot of other bigger YouTubers out there that kind of talk about this stock specifically, and they get excited about 4%. 4% is only 56 cents on the day. Now if you've got 10,000 shares, 20,000 shares, 30,000 shares, so forth and so forth, then the 50 cents is a great move. But I mean, if you're like hodling 100 shares and it goes up 50 cents, you made about 50 bucks. I mean, there's nothing to really get too excited about. But one thing to kind of do get excited about here, ever since we had this bottoming out here at $13.04, this is going to be our absolute line in the sand. So if you do believe in the company long term, and let's put a long-term date on this, at least 18 to 36 months, right? If you plan on investing into this stock for 18 to 36 months, I would definitely consider averaging in now, okay? $13 is going to be your absolute line in the sand. If we do lose $13, we do have another leg down. Now, there will be another area to kind of load, but depending on your risk tolerance, maybe you can kind of cut and trim your losses there, look for another stock, short the stock, hedge the stock. There's a lot of different variables that you can do to kind of recover that money, so you're not just watching the stock continuously bleed out, okay? One thing that I do like here, we have formed a little bit of a base, okay? This between 13 and 1450, we've got a little bit of a base. So we're at the top of the range now. We just reclaimed the 9 exponential moving average, which in trading and investing in, when you're looking at the daily candlesticks here, this is definitely a significant level. It's almost going to correlate with the 10-day simple moving average here. So we just closed over. Tomorrow, this actually looks like not a bad stock for a little day trade. Okay, so if we do get a confirmation of today's high sitting at around $14.38, I will be looking for an initial push to $14.58, and anything over $14.60 has room all the way back to $15. Now I know that's a lot of prices that I just thrown around, and it doesn't really seem like a lot, but if you're someone who trades options, or maybe someone who's trading 2 or 3 lots, meaning you're trading 200, 300, 400 shares, and you get about a 50 cent to $1 move, well then that's a fantastic day trade where you can kind of make some money. Again, just know we've held this area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days here going sideways. So as long as we stay over $13.40, I would continue to hold this. That's for traders and short-term swing traders. For investors, we need to look at the bigger time frame. For investors, we need to look at the weekly time frame, and let's start from here. You can see going all the way back here to 2020, we had these lows here of around $14. We came all the way up to highs of 51, and it just been slowly bleeding out literally since 2021, right? Have not got a lot of relief in the stock price. However, it looks like going back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now, so just about a month and a half now, we have not made a new lower low. That is always bullish when you have not made a new lower low. Now, if we do break the $13 area, then the narrative changes. But for the longer term perspective, 18, 24, 36 months down the road, this is a good loading zone for you to potentially get into. And I would be trying to target the $15 area as well as the 20-day moving average of around 18. Anything over 18 is now going to start to break the trend that we've had for the past year and a half, or literally a year and a half. So if we can kind of go back here to the start of 2021, we were already trying to start to peak out here. A lot of wicks going up here, a lot of buyers getting trapped in this area. Realistically, it's been about a year and a half that we've been on a decline here on Crsr, but I do like it down here at these levels. I like it a lot better at 14 than I did at 30. I like it a lot better at 14 than I did at 51. I'll tell you that much right now. So with that being said, just kind of keep closely keep monitoring Crsr, but those are the levels that I got for you. Again, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next time.